There's a beautiful revolution happening. People are downsizing their lives and embracing tiny houses. This movement is about more than just smaller spaces. It's about living intentionally and simply. Tiny houses offer freedom and flexibility. They encourage us to live with less stuff. This movement is about connection. It connects us to ourselves, our values, and our communities. More people are choosing tiny houses for their affordability. The rising cost of housing is a major concern. Tiny houses provide an alternative. They allow people to own their homes without huge mortgages. This opens up new possibilities for financial freedom. It allows individuals and families to pursue their passions. Sustainability, simplicity, and savings. Tiny houses are inherently more sustainable. They use less energy and resources to build and maintain. Their smaller footprint reduces our impact on the environment. This appeals to those who want to live in a more eco-conscious way. Tiny living encourages us to simplify our lives. We learn to focus on what truly matters. We consume less and appreciate more. This shift in mindset brings a sense of peace and contentment. Affordability is a key driver of the tiny house movement. Building a tiny house can be significantly cheaper than a traditional home. This makes homeownership accessible to a wider range of people. It also allows homeowners to save money on utilities and living expenses. Building a tiny house is an exciting and rewarding project. The first step is choosing a foundation. A popular option is a trailer. This allows for mobility and flexibility. Another option is a concrete slab. This provides a sturdy and level base. For the frame, consider using sustainable materials. Reclaimed wood is a great choice. It adds character and reduces waste. Steel framing is another durable and eco-friendly option. When selecting materials, consider their environmental impact. Opt for sustainable and locally sourced options whenever possible. Insulation is crucial for a comfortable and energy-efficient tiny house. Natural materials like sheep's wool or recycled denim insulation are eco-friendly choices. Designing a functional and stylish tiny house is all about maximizing space. Utilize vertical space with lofts and multi-purpose furniture. Choose furniture that can be folded away or transformed for different uses. Get creative with storage solutions. Built-in shelves, underbed storage, and hooks can help keep your belongings organized. Decorating your tiny house is an opportunity to express your personal style. Embrace minimalism, and keep decorations simple and meaningful. Use natural light to create a bright and airy atmosphere. Add personal touches with plants, artwork, and cozy textiles.